In the previous video, we have shown you how to blur moving face or moving object on Wondershare Filmora video editor. Now, we will show you how to blur some video part that not moving. In here, we will show you we have one video look like this, and we want just to blur the number, for example. And using tracking motion is not useful if we just need to blur some part of the video that not moving like this. Okay, to do that you can just go to the effects and then go to the utility, and then in here you must select mosaic. You can download first by clicking in here like this, and after that please add the mosaic. Add the mosaic like this, and we want to blur in the whole of video. After that you can double click in the blur effect, and we want to using this type of blur, and let's resize. I think it's enough, and this is the result. Okay, you can also edit the opacity if you want, like this or like this. Higher is more blur. Okay, and that's all how to blur some part of the video that not moving like this. Hope this video helpful for you.